This is Sam from Piano Made Easy, a platform that simplifies the learning of the musical instrument. Whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, we have you all covered. Remember, you can learn to play the piano. Welcome to the beginner series of Piano Made Easy. Today we're looking at identifying the keys of the piano. Let's go straight to the keyboard as we identify these keys. Alright, here is the keyboard, and the keyboard is made up of white keys and black keys. The white keys are called the natural keys, while the black keys are called sharps and flats. Also take note that the white keys run from the beginning of the keyboard to the end, while the black keys are in pairs of 2s and 3s. They are in pairs of 2s and 3s. 2s and 3s, just like you can see here. Now let's go further. I want you to know something, that in music we have 12 keys, and these 12 keys are right here on this keyboard. So we're going to be looking at identifying these 12 keys. But I want you to know something before we go further, that this keyboard is divided into two parts. That is the treble and the bass. And this key right here divides the keyboard into two. This key right here is called the middle C, and it divides the keyboard into two. That is the treble, which is your right hand, and the bass, which is your left hand. Let's go on. Now, remember I told you that the blacks are in pairs of 2s and 3s. We are going to identify key C. Key C is the white key before a pair of two blacks. The white key before a pair of two blacks is called key C. I'll take it again. The white key before a pair of two blacks is called key C. I'll put it in another way. The white key before a pair of two blacks is key C. The white key on the left of a pair of two blacks is key C. So right here, as you can see, we have so many key C's here. We have one here, we have one here, we have one here, there's one here, there is one here, another here, and even right here where you have the bass. So these are the points where we can see, identify our key C. Another key I would like us to identify is the key F. These are keys that you can just really get easily. The key C, remember, is a white key before a pair of two blacks, and key F is the white key before a pair of three blacks. The white key before a pair of three blacks is key F. We have key C and key F. Key C is the white key before a pair of two blacks. Key F is a white key before a pair of three blacks. Another key I'd like us to identify here is key G. We have key C, we have key F, and now we're going to key G. Key G is the white key in between a pair of three blacks. The first white key in between a pair of three blacks. The first white key in between a pair of three blacks. That is key G. And I think for today, this is where we're going to end our class.